Hey folks, welcome to Market Intraday Analysis by InTheMoneyStocks.com, your leaders in pure technical analysis, avoiding all that Wall Street hype. This video is for Thursday, October 4th, 2012. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. All right, folks, markets are trading up today. Again, I called for an update yesterday after we broke above a master level. I'll show it to you guys right now. Let's zoom out here. Basically, we're using the confirmation, which is a proprietary signal developed here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. When we confirmed above this sloping pink line right here, that was the signal that we should head up for a day or so afterwards. And again, that line comes all the way back from the 14th high connected to the previous highs. Now, just to reiterate here, we were above the level a couple days, but you never confirmed. If you don't know what confirmation is, it's the one thing that will keep you in good trades and out of bad trades. And I strongly, repeat, strongly encourage you, come to InTheMoneyStocks.com, take the 7-day free trial, and start learning it. Trust me on that one, all right? It's that empowering, it's that powerful, and it will spit out profits endlessly. All right? No one else knows it except for members here, and it's one of the best working methods out there in reality. More than hedge funds, they don't have it. A lot of these guys don't have it unless they've come to InTheMoneyStocks.com. All right, so looking at the market here, guys. Markets again moved up today beautifully. We went right to this level. Guess who was there shorting the high of the day with their members in the intraday stock chat? That is correct. Me, Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist, in the chat room shorted that high pivot. We got a topping tail right there, and again, we had a nice fall. Notice how the markets came right back in to the inside bar. They stayed inside of this green and came right to the 20. The market was then going to float up, light volume mid-lunch. It makes sense. You all should know this by now if you're members here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. So really, again, every level up and down you should be able to call on the markets, assuming you follow the analysis and learn the methodology here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. All right, a couple other things to note here, folks, that I just want to make sure everyone's paying attention to. For the most part, stocks are up, but Apple continues to show us some problems here. Apple's down about $5 on the day, which it's not a big drop, but considering the market's having a solid rally with the Dow, S&P, and NASDAQ all higher, S&P's up 9 points, NASDAQ's up 7, Dow's up about 80 points. Considering those numbers, you can see Apple kind of being a laggard here. I mean, there's no doubt about it. We see Apple not participating at all, and that has to be noted. There's no doubt about it. It needs to be noted, okay? So we'll watch there very carefully and see how things trade out. But again, a little bit of an alert. Without Apple strong, it tells me that the market cannot continue to go up endlessly here. And again, you're up 88 cents on the spiders or so it's not a big day either way. But again, it tells me to be cautious with this market. Okay, now if you go to your daily chart, and we'll flip back to the SPY, you still technically have inside bars. I'd like to see the day come down just a little bit off the highs. I don't know if it will, but that would solidify a pattern, very, very nice pattern on the charts to keep an eye on. All right, so again, we'll follow that very closely. Let me take a look here and see what else we have going on. JP Morgan's having a great day here. This is the daily chart, but let's go to the intraday chart on JPM. JPM's really been in a range. Look at this beautiful double top from earlier today. And then if you really look at the lows right here, I mean, you could just take a trend line and zoom it right across, and there you go. So you've been basically, ever since the 11 o'clock time frame, 10:30, stuck in a range here on JPM. Now, if JPM breaks down through here, you could very quickly go to this level right here, which is just above the 50. The 50 will slope into that. That will be your afternoon support. All right. Remember, these levels are literally scalpable levels. So you're looking at a level this afternoon of around $41.48. If you get that on JPM, it will be a scalping opportunity. There's no doubt about it, assuming it comes straight into that level. On the upside, I don't think I'll short triple top. I will just let it go through, and then we'll see it above that if a level comes to play that will be good enough. Taking a look at Goldman. Goldman, again, is fading. Now, Goldman's getting a little interesting here because it's coming down to the 50 MA. So definitely a little bit of intrigue. I'd like to see it come into it a little sharper than it has, but it still bears watching. It absolutely does bear watching. All right, one of the stocks that I've been talking about to my members, and a lot of you guys know this one, Q-Core. Q-Core popped huge early in the day. Again, I continue to hold some swing trade shares in that. And again, it came back in. We're still up on the position very, very nicely, though. My entry was right around $18.98, trading at $19.60 now. So, again, very nice move on Q-Core. All right, let's see what else we have here. Going through some other stocks, Amazon's having a nice day. Amazon not at the 52-week highs, but very, very close, up about $3.94 today. You have a little bit of resistance up here. It's not too far away. I don't think it's a shortable level at this stage of the game. Remember, when volume is light like we're seeing right now, you would rather be buying pullbacks than shorting into a strong, light volume market. Always remember that, guys. Very, very important. Okay? Let's see what else we have here, if there's anything else on my radar that I'm seeing, but I think that's about it for now. Let's look at a couple other key stocks. How's Chevron doing today? Chevron's up $1.17. Nice little move there. Chevron ran early in the day right into the pivot high from yesterday right there, and you can see the pullback. And again, these are day trading. I mean, this is beautiful stuff to see these charts work so perfectly. I'll tell you guys right now, day trading has been the best it's been in a long time this week and last week. All right, I'm literally printing minimum probably around 2 G's plus in day trading profits, trading minimally. All right, these last couple of weeks. It's been an amazing day trading session. So, again, I encourage you to come. If you're a day trader, you got to get in the intraday stock chat because we'll give you the keys to profiting. If you're a swing trader, then the research center is for you. If you're a swing trader investor, I will teach you guys these methods. You know, whether it's the three-tail theory, the river theory, confirmation, cycle analysis, all that stuff, it's there for the taking. All right, I encourage you again to learn it because you will succeed. All right, very much so. In terms of small caps today, I don't see a whole lot. I haven't done much with small caps, even though I love trading small caps. There just, for me, hasn't been much out there. It's really been a large cap swing up and down movement market for day trading purposes. And I just continue. Let me see what I traded today. Hewlett-Packard, INFA, KSS, NUVA, NUVA, QCore, and Spiders today. Those are the stocks I've been trading today for the most part. I'll trade anything, though. I mean, I really will. In fact, one sector that I'm keeping a close eye on is the solar China stocks. They are beginning to make some movements, so keep an eye on those going forward, guys. I have to say, keep a close eye on Chinese stocks, Chinese solar stocks to be exact. A lot of them have been beaten down, and I'm seeing the first signs of life in quite some time here. If this market can stay strong, you should see stocks like LDK and TSL and a bunch of these other ones start to make waves to the upside. Just see if there's anything else I'm looking at here. I think that's about it. NUVA getting crushed today. I day traded it on the long side, caught a little bit of money there. INFA, same thing. I mean, a lot of these stocks that open down 7, 8 points, if you can find a technical level, you can take it and rock it. And you'll get, especially early in the day. Later in the day, I don't trade them, but early in the day, you can, make quite a bit of money on it, and profit, really profit. It's a great thing. Okay. Other than that, folks, let's just jump back to the spiders and see if there's any other levels here. Spiders-wise, for shorts or longs, I would buy a pullback into the 50 MA because it's going to coincide with these little pivot lows here. If that comes up and we sold off, I don't think we will, but if we do on the spiders, that would be a long play. On the short side of the spiders, honestly, I'd have to wait for this level here. This is a great level. We'd have to squeeze up today to get there, but that would be around the 146.75 would be a great scalp short opportunity. All right, guys, I'm going to step aside here, get back to trading. Again, been great trading. Come to inthemoneystocks.com where you can get a 7-day free trial. Come join us. Come learn from the pros. Learn these proprietary techniques that we will teach you. It takes a little while to learn, maybe a few weeks to a month or two. When you get it down, it's a whole new world. Whole new world. Take care, guys.